Steroids are a class of organic compounds with a general structure of 17 carbon atoms bonded to 28 hydrogen atoms. The carbon atoms are arranged into 4 rings and are conventionally denoted by the letters A, B, C, D. The general structure is represented by a gonane, which is also known as the steroid nucleus. Steroids are classified based on the number and type of functional groups attached to the steroid nucleus and by the oxidation state of the rings. Lanosterol in animals and cycloaltanol in plants are precursors for sterols. Both are derived from the cyclization of tridapene squalene. In humans, lanosterol are essential as they produce cholesterol, which in turn is a precursor for various steroid hormones in the body.
In general, there are 3 proposed mechanisms on how steroids can exert its effect on the cell. Let's focus on the first mechanism from the left, which shows how sex hormones, glucocorticoids, and mineralocorticoids exert their effects. The hormone diffuses across the cell membrane and binds to a cytoplasmic steroid hormone receptor. This receptor is originally inactivated with a bound heat shock protein, HSP. When the steroid hormone binds, HSP is released and a nuclear receptor hormone complex is formed. This complex dimerizes to become active. Once activated, the dimer will be translocated into the nucleus where it can bind to specific genomic sequence. This will inhibit or activate DNA transcription.
The second group of steroids, the androgenic or anabolic steroids, are steroidal androgens that include natural androgens like testosterone as well as synthetic androgens that are structurally related and have similar effects to testosterone. They are anabolic and increase protein within cells, especially in skeletal muscles. There are a variety of common anabolic steroids, but the end product is the same. The androgenic and virilizing effects induce the development and maintenance of masculine secondary sexual characteristics, such as the growth of facial and body hair.
There are 2 different categories of steroids, the corticosteroids and the anabolic steroids. Corticosteroids are subdivided into 2 classes, namely the glucocorticoids that are anti-inflammatory steroids and the mineralocorticoids that is used for salt and water regulation. Corticosteroids are synthesized by the adrenal gland located above the kidney and is released into the bloodstream to affect the function of the white blood cell, thereby reducing inflammatory responses.
Naturally present steroids function primarily in control regulations such as metabolism, inflammations, immune functions, etc. An example is the aldosterone from the family of corticosteroids produced in the adrenal cortex in adrenal gland, which is crucial for sodium conservation in kidneys, salivary glands, sweat glands, and colon. Anabolic steroids are drugs that resemble androgenic hormones such as testosterone and are widely used by athletes to gain weight, strength, power, speed, endurance, and aggressiveness rapidly. Resemblance allows for tremendous developmental changes occurring during puberty and adolescence, such as accelerated growth of muscle, bone, red blood cells, and enhanced neural conductions. Such use also decreases testosterone secretion, and catabolic effects of cortisol are enhanced when athletes stop taking the drugs, and strength and muscle mass are lost at a rapid rate. As such, psychological addiction may occur due to dependence. Long-term administration also increases chance of serious side effects as cortisol suppresses immune system, making users prone to diseases such as cold and flu during the period following steroid administration.